In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook backup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're safeguarding important emails or just want peace of mind, backing up your Outlook data is a smart move and quite straightforward once you know how. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin the process, you'll want to go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Outlook website, or simply searching for Outlook login in your search engine. Once there, look for the sign in button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on it to start the login process. Now that you're on the sign in page, it's time to enter your credentials. Begin by typing in your email. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues later on. Once you've entered your email, the next button should become clickable. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the password section. In the password field, carefully type in your password. It's always a good idea to double check that you're entering the correct characters, especially if you have complex passwords. Many people choose to keep their password manager handy for this step, just to ensure accuracy. After entering your password, click on the sign in button. At this point, you might encounter a screen asking if you want to stay signed in. Clicking yes here can save time in the future by keeping you logged into this account on the current device. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the main Outlook page. This is where all the action happens and where you can see your emails, contacts, and calendar. You're halfway there to completing your backup, so let's keep this momentum going. Next, navigate to the Mail Outlook section. Often you'll find this option at the top of your screen. It's usually accessible through a drop-down menu or directly on the navigation bar. Once you're in the Mail section, it's time to locate the settings. This may appear as a gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will drop down a menu with numerous options. Here you should see an option labelled General. Select this to narrow down the settings to more general application preferences. In the general settings, scroll until you locate Privacy and Data. Clicking on this option brings you to a section focused on managing and securing your Outlook data. It's in this very section where you'll initiate the backup. Keep an eye out for the Export Mailbox option. This is the star of the show today. Clicking on Export Mailbox will begin the process of backing up all your Outlook data. Once you click on Export Mailbox, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. This action will package up all your emails and data into a downloadable format that you can save locally or wherever you keep your backups. This is suitable for extracting important emails or for transferring data to another service. It might take a moment depending on how much data you have, so remain patient as the export process completes. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to back up your Outlook data. It's particularly helpful to do this periodically if you handle a lot of critical information through Outlook. As a closing tip, save this backup file in a secure location, whether it's in a cloud storage service or on an encrypted USB drive. Feel free to repeat these steps as often as you feel necessary to remain confident that your emails are secure. With these simple steps, you can make sure your Outlook data is backed up throughout the year. We hope you found today's tutorial helpful and that you're more confident in managing your Outlook data.